Hello everyone, I am Deepshikha. Welcome you in Deepshikha's Karushil. Today I am going to make this beautiful Lippan artwork. For making this, we need canvas board, Fevicryl molded, mirrors in different shapes and sizes, cutter, pencil, scale, Fevicol, talcum powder and rounder. Firstly, mark the border and find out the center of the board and make a circle in the center of the board. Now mix the resin and hardener in small and equal amount. Always mix small amount of resin and hardener. Mix it very well. Now stick the round mirror in the center of the board using Fevicol. Roll the clay on the flat surface. Make it long and thin and then place it around the round mirror. Use talcum powder. Divide the clay in small and equal parts to give it a teardrop shape. Place the teardrop shape around the center. Then mark the next circle and place the clay in the same way. Use talcum powder every time. Now place small diamond-shaped mirrors in between the teardrop shape using Fevicol. Stick square-shaped small mirrors around the circle and again make another circle using the clay. Smooth the clay using talcum powder. Now stick 3 small diamond-shaped mirrors in the shape of leaf. Place the leaf shape all around the circle. Again, make circle using clay and also stick the circle shaped mirrors in between the leaf shapes. Now make some more teardrop shape using clay and place them around the circle. Put the diamond shaped mirror on the top of the teardrop and gently press the mirror on it. You can also use pencil for pressing the mirror. Now, in between the teardrop shape, stick big diamond shaped mirror. Now make the border by rolling the clay evenly. Use talcum powder every time. Gently press and roll the clay. Now border is complete. Now trace the stencil in the corners. I have made this stencil using paper. I am giving impression on the border using back side of the pen refill. Now place the clay on the corner designs and decorate them using mirrors. Now color the circles and the corner designs using acrylic color. I am using golden yellow color. Also color the clay and the board using white acrylic color to give it a complete look. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.